Welcome back to Showcase Pittsburgh. I'm John Klein. Right now, let's welcome Courtney Wright and Brian Osterride from PPG Paints. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you,
John.
We've all painted. Some of us love it, some of us hate it. I think I have paint on some of my fingers. Right, I was painting yesterday, as a matter of fact. Tell us about some of the products we have here today, Courtney.
Sure. Today we're going to show PPG Paints Manor Hall interior paint. We're going to talk a little bit about the features of the product, and at the end we'll talk a little bit more about where to find it and the coupons available for customers today.
The Manor Hall paint, where can I find something like that?
So PPG Manor Hall paints can be found in any one of our 15 PPG Paint store locations, our 9 independent dealer locations. It's our most premium interior paint. It's designed to be extremely washable, extremely durable, and give you a great hide.
Is this a paint? And I've bought paint that's $15 a gallon. I've seen paint that's $80 a gallon. Is there a big difference in that when it comes to how it goes on and eventually what it does on the walls?
It does. I touched on a few of the attributes there, but typically the more you pay for the product, the more you get.
What are we going to do here today? Now you've painted. I see red on the board. Dark colors. If you have a house or an apartment that has dark colors to paint over that, it's a nightmare. You need coat after coat after coat.
Sure. Yeah. As you can see here on this board, we've pre-painted the board with PPG Paints Red Gumball, which is a popular PPG Paints color. And in the middle here, we've painted with PPG Paints Manor Hall in a beige color. And as you can see, the beige completely hides the red.
So this was originally red.
Yes.
And with one coat, the Manor Hall covered the red with one coat.
In this situation, it took 2 coats, but there's a lot of variables that go into how many coats it takes.
Right.
This is a drastic color change. You're going from one extreme to the next. So situations like this, in this particular instance, it takes 2 coats.
When you paint something like that, does it matter, paintbrush, the roller, the covers, is it better, you can go into a big box store and buy an all-in-one container for $8. Or you can spend a lot of, professional painters, they have all the cool stuff. Does it really matter when you paint?
It makes a huge difference. We have a premium product here like PPG Paints Manor Hall that in order to maximize the benefits, you really need to use a high quality brush or roller cover. And the expert staff at any of our 15 PPG locations or our 9 independent dealer locations will be able to help you choose the correct brush or roller.
Does it matter if you're using something for inside or outside? Does that matter with the brush and the roller that you're going to be using?
It does. You want to choose, the key is choosing the right applicator for the proper paint. And that's what our expert staff at our PPG paint stores.
Don't be afraid to ask.
Locations. Absolutely.
That's one of the key things. When I go in too, they always ask sheen. And I'm thinking, okay, so we have, eggshell, we have gloss, semi-gloss, flat. What are the differences? How do I know what I need?
Well, there are really 2 things to consider when selecting the appropriate sheen for your project, and that's preference and performance. So from a preference standpoint, sheen creates a visual interest. And from a performance standpoint, it can actually help extend the life of your project. So here we have a demo board. This drywall board was painted with the 2016 PPG Color of the Year, Paradise Found. It was painted in a flat sheen. Flat sheens are known to absorb light and hide surface imperfections. Okay. It's also what's likely on the ceiling of your home or in low traffic areas.
So this sheen is?
This is a flat sheen.
That's flat, okay.
Yep. And then on the opposite end of the spectrum, you'll have the semi-gloss. And this piece of trim was painted with PPG Paint semi-gloss. Semi-glosses reflect light, so you can kind of tell, especially up against the flat, it's a little bit more glossy.
So semi-gloss is the shiniest, flat is the dullest.
Generally speaking, yes, the glossier or the shinier. Designers are partial to the semi-gloss sheen for cabinets and for trim and for areas of high traffic use for its durability and washability factors.
Is that something where it's easier to wash something down when it's shinier as opposed to the flat wall paints?
Generally speaking.
Yep, let me show you here, John.
I've known too, on a ceiling would be flat, is that correct?
Yes.
Because it doesn't have a lot of sheen to it, it doesn't have a lot of reflection.
Right.
Yeah.
So what is this covered with? Is this?
We have, this panel here is painted with PPG Paints Manor Hall. It's the most washable finish, designed to be very stain resistant.
So is it semi-gloss?
This is a semi-gloss, yeah. It's going to be the most washable. I also have here some grape juice, which is a fairly common household stain, so a lot of people have youngsters at home. So what happens? They're carrying around a cup of juice. They spill it on the floor. It splashes up on the wall. Right.
Right. Happens all the time.
Happens all the time. So you can see, the grape juice goes on, and to use a damp, soft cloth, you can see, the grape juice washes off right away.
So that would be something we're going to paint our entire house with a semi-gloss, or just the trim, kitchen, bath? How do we divide that up?
Typically, semi-glosses are going to be used for higher traffic areas, areas that are prone to stains, kitchens, bathrooms, and so forth.
Up and down the steps where everybody does
you
that.
Get to handprints, yeah.
Once we get in and paint, is there something that we can do to prolong the cleanability of the paint, or does it maintains itself?
Yeah, and PPG paints, Manor Hall is a very durable product, so there's really nothing that you need to do between applications to keep it durable or keep it looking good. Just when you have a spot that needs washed off, just a damp, soft cloth will wash away stains.
If you have flat walls, and a lot of I remember this when we built our house, when you get they inexpensively paint a house with flat when you first get in. That's not washable, is that correct?
It's not as washable as a semi-gloss, but depending on the stain and how long it's had a chance to soak in, you may still be able to wash it.
Okay. You mentioned the color of the year. I remember seeing an article in Paradise Found.
Mm-hmm.
How do they determine the color of the year? Do we know that?
A lot goes into it.
Right.
There's global meetings where they all get together and discuss trends that they're seeing in the fashion industry, in the consumer industry, automotive, and they come across finding the appropriate color.
Do people, once that was announced maybe a month ago when I saw it online, do a lot of people go into paint stores and they say, hey, I want this color because it's the coolest color of the year? I would think so. That would be something that PPG is like, we need to whip up a whole bunch more of this.
Yeah, I could speak from a personal standpoint that that the color of the year and what it means, and the coolness, and they talk a lot about the color, so I'm drawn to it.
Okay.
So.
Are there any other colors that are big and trendy right now that big in 2016 that we know of? Darks, lights for houses, interior, exterior.
We'll have to get our color consultant to talk to you a little bit more about that.
It just seems like a lot of things are becoming darker than they used to be. So what did we learn here today? Okay, semi-gloss, easy to clean with the Manor Hall paint.
Correct.
We can cover with pretty much one coat, maybe two on a dark wall.
Drastic situations, yeah.
And buy a more expensive roller pad or brush, and the painting job will be
Makes
easier.
a big difference.
I actually learned something today. Thanks,
Excellent.
guys. Make a stop into one of the 15 local PPG paint stores or 9 independent dealer locations to pick up a one-stop shop flyer. All PPG paint stores have one-stop shop cards with exciting offers, including a free gallon of PPG Manor Hall paint, a free paintbrush, as well as designer services to help you with your next painting project. If you'd like to know more about PPG paints, give your local store a call or log on to ppgpaints.com/Pittsburgh. That does it for today's show. I'm John Klein. I'm going to see you on the next Showcase Pittsburgh.